Yeah, man. Well, I mean, this not up on live. I'm telling you, so before 12 o'clock, I go tell you now where I go on. Because right now, you see me there now. You know, see me sit down in a bathroom. You know? See, I'm jacuzzi there upon the edge of my jacuzzi, I sit down, you know. And I easy, you know. I'm come to talk to my fans until my fans them say. Yo, this dog go work. Sting nah go on. Sting not gonna happen. You hear that? No, my fans, me I tell you the truth. Me love you everything and respect you and no one well wants me over there and you don't want to see me perform for you. But guess what now? When me I run back the tape and I look back on everything and see how much disrespect and how much this and how much that and see all where them deal with man and Ray. Me not feel like me come like me if me go over the back me or let down me fella artist friend them and to let down everything where me stand for. You understand? So me not think me I go deal with it here, sir. Love you everything, but here when me there now. On the same 26th of December still, me there a place named Silent Hill in Manchester. The 10th of December, me there St. Anne's. The 25th of December, GT show. You understand? GT aggravation. You understand me? Way down in a St. Elizabeth. You understand me? On the 16th, we're supposed to be at Up Park Camp. So you know, say what place we are go there. I don't even sure if I go keep my show yet. Because I kind of tired of stress, yeah, man. But I want to say if me feel like I can't do it by the next 2 to 3 weeks, you know, where we are going. If I can't do it, you know, we are same way. But for now, I could just forget about things, you know, because it don't make no sense here. I'm going to tell you something where me I learn and something where me I hear and everything good for eat, good for talk. But right now, people, Sting not deal with nothing for help young artists nor old artists. Sting they don't want to pay people the right price of money. Sting they want use people like people as some idiot. And then when they're ready, then go around and get other people to come book show for your work. After them done all of the disrespectful thing them to artists. Now me go through a whole heap of thing on stage as Sting and Mr. Laing never tell me thanks yet. Every day, don't want to pay people them money. I'm not afraid to tell you that. You understand me? There's a whole heap of thing where them people are dealing where them feel like say Jamaican artists not to collect their money, Jamaican artists not to get what they deserve. And when them show up for go on, them want you come do it. Well, me I go tell the whole of them this. Me take enough of the disrespect. Me go through the whole of the abuse. Me do as much sacrifice to the show. Me take a lick down on the show where I could have defend myself. I could have commit whole. It could show a cost me for could have commit whole heap of murder. And me have to look and say, nah, do this and destroy my fans and destroy my career. Mr. Laing never do nothing for me yet. You understand me? Last time me charged for murder, this is how I'm telling the people. When me charged for the murder the other day, and Mr. Laing them did want to come as Sting. When him come to court and see me, I go around at the court. When me I pass back, you know when he look at me and say, look upon the dirty drunk, you know. Him never know me ear, but me ear. And me say, look at who I call me dirty drunk because me take this man out of the line of duty. Him that got dead like dog or sit down and fire shot for save people, for save himself. Because he was a policeman where people do want kill. You understand me? And me stop him from being a police and make him have a show where the greatest show on earth, the greatest one night show. No care what me have to do, me sacrifice myself to come to the show to make sure it's possible. Me see the show go down in a destruction when me see it not going with nothing. Me sacrifice and sell out my career. This myself and give merciless the upper hand on my career. You understand me? For build back Sting. And when me build back thing after me give merciless my career and kill him back and rise back thing and put it way up back on the map. It means that one day you never tell me thanks. Then when me come on TV the other day and say, not one day you never offer me a say, if you show me say you appreciate what me do, you know him give me an award. All no do I care tear me down. Well, me I go tell you something, I know this. When me say I learn something, me can look for a whole part thing. Because everybody when I decide to do Mr. Laing show and not to work with Mr. Laing thing, him have film system when push him down in a prison or send him in a jail. I see him with Cartel did that work with him and they never stop fight till him and they are jail. Mr. Laing will do anything in his power to tear down an artist who don't want to work with him. So people, you can look out for anything in my case because a whole heap of things them plan my case could have done long time. But true them want to have me the way they want to have me and want to have me like me an idiot. They might try to hold me down and try to fight me down. Then claim to say, them not stop until me turn a crop, which under God and me not turn no crop. You understand? Me I come from far and me go through all heap of stress, all heap of confusion, frustration, temptation, and all kind of something. Let me tell you this. One thing I have to tell my fans them. They will never see me go down. So anything where they want to plan and anything where they want to try, I don't care. Me go on to know so me love you. And to as far as I go on, me not go work as thing. The last time I check at 61 or 60 something thousand people saying we love you Ninja, go do it for we. But I want to tell you something. Me don't do it for you, and for my fans them, I me don't do it for Linkage Radio and the rest of youths and my come on thing. Me not do it for Mr. Laing. And as long as Mr. Laing and every have nothing to do with Sting, me not do no show. Me no want no award neither. Me don't want them award. Me get an award the other day and me can't carry on and show no with this. Me get an award for the good things that me are doing in my country. This is an award where me get, yeah, see it? Me get this, yeah, from the Jamaica Labour Party where them say I win in a power now. We get this our another show, yeah, where twins have twins and keep down St. Elizabeth. Well, me can tell you this. Me appreciate my nice little award them when me get from my little friend them will appreciate me and say, right now, me love you, Ninja Man, and we appreciate all the strength and the encouragement we give you in a dance hall. And right now, we appreciate everything and we give you thanks. You understand? So right now, we will deal with my friends them award. You understand? We deal with the government and the government city that me I do good because the award we get from the Jamaica Labour Party is because we start a thing named Ice Cream Sunday where I bring a lot of peace and unity to the Breadis Road community. You understand? The Kingston 19 division. Where you have man of war from all angles and me come in and put out that and come with the youth them and unite. You talk to the youth them, reason with them and know say we don't want no more of them something here. Start a thing when you have Ice Cream Sunday where every Sunday you come out you get free ice cream, free popcorn. The bunks about is there for the kids them and we have a little music playing and people can enjoy themselves and feel good on Sunday. So every Sunday we keep that and make that go good so we get our award for that already. So the government start showing me them appreciation. Me no need no appreciation from nobody whenever rate me from morning. Me no want no user come rate me. I be a use Mr. Laing then use people. You understand? And them device is to tear down any artist when I work with them. Them try everything what them do to put me in a hole. Then try every living thing in them power to tear down Ninja Man, but it not going to work. Because I believe in a God and God is God. Me nah work no sting. People, me they are Silent Hill. Here, Silent Hill in a Manchester when you go in a Spalding area there and go around. That's how me there. Make me tell you something. Silent Hill now go fix good. The tent me down a sentence. You understand? A King Sterograph at the other side and Ninja Man that you not go see. So you don't know some of my fans and my friends and my foes, me love you know. I must apologize because I really don't want to do it for you, but me get fit, get fine now say. Mr. Laing decides that them will not give the show to nobody to run. And me now work under for them system because them not like me, them hate me, and them would do everything in them power to kill me. You understand? So me now work with them. You understand? Bounty killer now work with them. The best thing me tell Mr. Laing to do, go check Shabba. I make Shabba come collect an award, and that might put a good crowd in there if Shabba come collect an award. But the Ninja Man you not come in there. Yeah? Me not coming. That me I tell them. So my fans, I love you know. I'm not going to hear enough more than more about my because it's a worse like how we can go live you know. We're going to do the thing mad. Every song me voice we're not going to hear. Everything when me I do in the studio and I go see it live. So I'm not joke thing, I work road. So we don't need for them things to make our thing go on. You understand? And people who always look out for my birthday bash Ochoreas Festival, me not say yes and me not say no. Me feel me I go make it go on. But, you know, me just me don't know what me I do yet. Yeah? So, me dance and me danettes just tell myself, so me love when I see the heart them a fly like bullet thumbs up. Yo, the heart them a goes man. But me don't know. I love me love now. Me not stop love now, so me don't know enough. For now, me just know say it's a no for a thing. Silent Hill a Manchester. You hear me say? Up like one and we not bend like same way mad on them. You understand? As me say again, if it wasn't for the fans them, I would not be Ninja Man, I would only be this man, yes. So to them me give the thanks then. Them support to keep me strong. True what all the bangarang. So just tell me when you see me. Touch me when you see me. Say you love me when you see me. Pen and paper when you see me. Feel me fans. Only for my fans. Yes, it's for my fans. Bless up all my fans. Well, no, look how much years has passed and gone. Look how much art has passed and gone. Jaja cover me from the tip of my finger. Even though I'm missing it with finger. It's not the bands, not the crazy millions. It's just a dedicated support on my fans. And when me say, do hail me when you see me. Touch me when you see me. Say you love me when you see me. Pen and paper when you see me. Feel me fans. Only for my fans. Yes, it's for my fans. Bless up all my fans. From the days of class in Cabra, Shabba, Rank, and Super Cat in the 90s. Now for them see me step on them, no know what this man life is. More than 30 years, me tried, me know when ninja fight is. My fans them book, my flight them like the Nikes. Although them call me dinosaur, and me don't extend for sure. Cause me tires full of trading and me have so many more. Crazy songs, Ninja Man have crazy plans, but me only do this. Feed the will be now my fans away. Me say, feed do hail me when you see me. Touch me when you see me. Say you love me when you see me. Pen and paper when you see me. Feel me fans. Only for my fans. Yes, it's for my fans. Bless up all my fans. You don't know my fans. Me love you now. 24/7/48/14. And just remember say, as me rub the crown on me head, you know, me I tell you say. Me sacrifice certain things for you, but me I tell you the truth, it's very hard to deal with this. Because if I'm Mr. Laing them I deal with it, me not deal with it. If I linkage radio I deal with it, me will deal with it. But me no feel that vibe to deal with it. I know my style to deal with it. Me no want to deal with it. And me not deal with it on this bounty killer. Me not deal with it on this sizzler. You understand? Me not deal with it on this angel because every one of the artists of them this and me or this. So we are stand up for ourselves and now a unity we are saying a dance hall. You understand? Enough things go back, I'll go over there from Bounty Killer and jape up Bounty Killer and go and come and diss me son. And enough things I do, send out man to come lick me down with back up on stage and go and like say, I no plan thing. Because there is no way you can have a show an artist or perform we done perform already, run out, come cook within gang, come this next artist. And you set up all of them something they want to set it up. You understand? All them something they want to set up for build controversy and show for build up next energy for the next year. So this year you have a lick down, then you have a kick down, then you have all kind of thing because you find say you run out of performance, appearance and lyrics and the younger man we can't do it and me. So anything you want if me no there, you have to have some form of foolishness. You know, see from me now clash as thing. I'll be a war and fight and then something they go on as thing. I mean alone coming as thing come murder people lyrically with ease. You understand? The younger competition go on as thing away from Ninja Man when he perform. They are Bounty Killer and Beanie Man. Remember me tell you, because when you watch the Bounty Killer and Beanie Man, then a thing, our lyrics are punch like a Mike Tyson and a clock like guillotine. You understand? Anytime it comes to sing, I me alone can kill the people them. And me can put uno to the test. Put me side as thing to perform and see if me no murder everybody who over sting. You see him night. Just put me out on the main road for perform before you go in and sing. And see if nobody going and sing. I cripple everything in there. Because they're not bad like me boot heel. I mean, I ask that. You hear me? Man cross, hungry and more than miserable. Man head scramble like you gonna scatter brains like marble. Bembe a bus go on a yard bad man. Move before steely run out. A real bad man attack. So some boy feel like say a plaything. Our lyrics now waste a roadside now run like water. We have lyrics we equipped to deal with this. You understand me? And me I tell Mr. Laing say him will continue till him and every day alone in a jam world. And I say it all reach. Because every artist I run from it. Every artist now want to come for it. So the best thing me tell you say, please go for Super Cat and Shabba Ranking and make them come collect an award. So you can have somebody, some artist with proper name and go in there and collect award. Because I don't want no award from you. Keep that. You understand? I don't want to see you. No award would have been all who be have to mash up all my life. I don't trust you. Oh, I go and want to go. Anyway, my fans, I love you. I may see you again, you know. But me talk to you another day. But then time you see me a lyrics where I say, yeah man, up like one, bend like 7. Yeah.